stealing from afar, and when Lily makes his way in the moonlight, I know the reason why their halfway haunts his soul.
The lovely blue of sky and the sapphire of ocean, the flashing white of cloud and of waves foaming crest, the many shades of green from the plain to the mountain, with all the brightest hues of the rainbow we're blessed.
I hear a swish of rain as it sweeps down the valley. I hear the song of wind as it sighs through the trees. I hear the crash of waves on the rocks and the beaches. I hear the hissing surf and the boom of the seas. I love to dance and sing of the charms of Hawaii, and from a joyful heart sing aloha to you. And every note I'll tell of the spell of my eyes, for then I know that you'll be in love with them too. For then I know that you'll be in love with them too.
All right, this next class we'd like to bring to you is our Tuesday 6 o'clock in studio.